So see, अभी जो हम लोग करेंगे वो क्विक रिवीजन करेंगे टेंस का, वॉइस का और नरेशन का. So first of all, write here the tense. Voice and narration. Every year in the board examination, at least 7 to 8 marks. This year also, इस साल भी 7 से 8 नंबर का क्वेश्चन पूछता है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में. पलट के देख लेना तीनों सेट में. If you have question paper, you should see the report is written. Write report. So wherever you find that write report, दिमाग में एक ही चीज घूम जाना चाहिए, बस narration. Reported speech. The rules and regulation of reported speech is based on tense. Those who are not having the structure of tense in their mind, they will not be able to convert, because as you know, it is said that if the statement is in present indefinite, it will change into past indefinite. If you don't have any idea what is the structure of past indefinite, how will you write? So nothing to say only. So write the structure. Subject plus V1, V5, object. This is voice, same object plus is RM.
प्लस में होगा थर्ड
plus verb 3 plus by
ऑब्जेक्टिव
plus objective.
यस सर.
This is present indefinite. This is present indefinite. Subject plus V1 oblique V5
प्लस ऑब्जेक्टिव.
rules are V5 is only used with the third person singular number, and rest of all takes V1. Rest of all takes V1. Similarly, while changing into interrogative questions in present indefinite, we use do and does for interrogative, and negative do not and does not. Where we should use do and where we should use does. Obviously, the same process is does is used with only third person singular number. Remember, and what we need to count third person singular number means he, she, it, and all the name of the world,
Yes, sir.
all the noun which is singular, that we can take into third person singular number. So obviously you will start your sentence by does, and then putting V1 again, because V5 takes SES in verb.
Yes.
While if you are writing does to start a sentence, the S or ES will be omitted from there. This is the rule. And do will be used with all the persons, like first person, second person, and third person plural number also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So there is no doubt. And object plus is RM. We know already, if object is singular we will use is, if object is plural we will use are. Whether if there should not be any confusion that whether the subject is singular or plural. In passive, subject should not be counted. Subject should not be considered, because subject may be plural. If subject is plural, doesn't matter. We have to see object, because sentence will start from only object. And where there is no object,
No passive voice.
there will be no passive. But in the imperative sentences, it is used that let should be used. Let or should. Let or should for the imperative sentence. Now come to the present continuous. That we say here, present continuous. Present continuous, same here, subject before plus object. Object
being plus objective. Being plus objective.
by plus objective. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Here in the first sentence I told you about the narration. If the reported speech is in present indefinite, it will change into past indefinite. If reported speech in past continuous, present continuous, it will change into past continuous. The structure of past continuous is subject plus was verb plus before plus object. So the structure of past indefinite, subject plus B2 plus object. So that will be changed into narration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now then after present perfect. Present perfect subject plus very good.
Plus subject. Plus object.
While writing here object has have plus been.
Plus
Okay, and now for the narration, if the reported speech, yani reporting a statement is in present perfect, it will change into past perfect. The structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus B3. Subject plus had plus B3. Obviously, you will use had.
Yes.
You will use there had. Now present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Subject plus
Object plus since for time. Since निश्चित समय के लिए for the
okay. Look here the for and since. For the long period of time. Long period of time. Since is for the point of time. If I am writing for Monday, there would be since.
Yes.
If you are writing Monday, you should write since. If you are writing for 10 days, 20 days, for 10 years, for obviously you are using for. If there is no specific time written, if it is written time period, it is for. Clear?
Yes, sir.
10 सालों से for,
For.
10 घंटों से for, कुछ देर से for, लेकिन हो बचपन से फिक्स हो गया.
29 तारीख से
डेट फिक्स है 29, 28, मंडे, आधी रात से, शाम से, सुबह से, मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, कोई एक फिक्स टाइम दे दिया गया हो वहां पे बहुत होशियार हो. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज प्लस बीन प्लस बिफोर प्लस फॉर सिंस प्लस टाइम इट एंड द पैसिव इज हियर नो पैसिव. वी शुड राइट हियर नो पैसिव. वेरी गुड. एंड if reported speech is in present perfect continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. The structure of past perfect continuous is subject plus had been.
Yes.
Subject plus had been plus before plus for since plus time. Nice. So this is present indefinite. And past we have already done. Past indefinite. The structure of past indefinite. Past continuous. Past perfect. And past perfect continuous. Good. Now future indefinite. There should not be any changes.
Subject plus means
There should not be any changes in tense while changing into reported speech. If the reported speech is in future tense, the tense will not be changed. However, shall will change into should, will into would. And for the present instance, where there is can, it will change into could. Where there is may, it will change into might. Okay?
yes, sir.
Now the very typical one that we need to understand. If there is, suppose, if I am writing simple present and simple past, like if I were a bird, he said, if I were a bird. Imagination goes in our mind and you start to think. So on that case, if you were, if I were, if he were, if they were, it seems like काश मैं एक चिड़िया होता या काश मैं एक चिड़िया होती, काश वह एक चिड़िया होता, काश वह एक होती. ठीक है. ऐसे सेंस में वर लगाते हैं, हमेशा वॉज नहीं लगाते. फिर तुम कभी दिमाग में नहीं है सोचना सर आई के साथ वर आज तक नहीं सुना, तभी दिमाग में आ जाना ये इमेजिनेटिव वर्ड है. ये कह रहा है काश, इसका मतलब हिंदी होता है काश में एक चिड़िया होती। इमेजिनेशन चल रहा है, तो इमेजिनेशन में वर लगाएंगे, कभी भी लगाओ। तुम्हें कभी इमेजिन करना हो, लाइन लिखना हो कि काश मैं वहां होता, इफ आई वर देयर। काश मैं लिख पाता, इफ आई वुड राइट। वहां पे इफ वर नहीं होगा, वुड पाता, तो वहां जाता वुड। अब ऐसे सेंस में इसको अगर हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बनाएंगे तो क्या बनाएंगे? वर का हो जाता है हैड बीन, वॉज का हो जाएगा हैड बीन।
Past continuous will change into past perfect.
हाँ, obviously the structure is past continuous is changing into past, but it is not past continuous. It is simple past. Simple past. So was will change into had. Had been. Was will change into had been. ठीक है? So if I were you, suppose if I am writing here, he said, if I were there, what do you like?
Sir, he
He told
Told
that
that.
he said that.
he said that. Sir, he said that.
Look here,
Object name.
if the sentence is like this, what to do? Said will change also. Said will change into anticipated. आशंका, मन में सोचा ना, इमेजिन कर। He imagined. Somewhere you can write he imagined. He anticipated. Anticipated means आशंका करना, सोचना, काश। तो he anticipated if no that, no connector will. He anticipated if he had been there. He had been there. He said if doctors were there, they could save the life of the patient. This is anticipation. Anticipation, imagined. So he imagined if doctors had been there, they could save the life of the patient. So in such a way you need to progress your writing by using your mind. Somewhere no need to change anything else, because everything is changed. Okay, could will not come in can. Once you just step out ahead, you should not come back. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहता है आगे बढ़ गए, पीछे नहीं आना है। पास्ट वाला प्रेजेंट में नहीं आएगा, प्रेजेंट पास्ट में चला जाएगा, बट पास्ट कभी प्रेजेंट में नहीं आएगा, वहां से एक स्टेप आगे हो जाएगा। पास्ट इंडेफिनिट पास्ट परफेक्ट में चला जाएगा। पास्ट परफेक्ट जहां है उसके बाद आगे दुनिया है ही नहीं, तो इसलिए वो खत्म हो गया। क्लियर? सो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, subject plus shall will plus V1.
Yes, sir. Plus object.
Subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object.
Yes, sir.
Shall or will, then after V1. No need to change. But same in passive, object plus shall will plus B, B-E-B.
Yes, sir.
B plus B3 plus by plus object. And there is no passive or future continuous. Future continuous. But for the active, subject plus shall will plus be plus B4 plus object. Like he will be going. This is also anticipation. This is suppose इस टाइम मैं क्या कर रही होती। तुम अगर तुम्हारा छोटा भाई घर पे है, छोटी बहन घर पे है, तो इस समय वो क्या कर रही होगी? इमेजिनेशन। इस समय मम्मी क्या कर रही होगी? इस समय पापा क्या कर रहे होंगे? इस समय भैया क्या कर रहे होंगे? इस समय रोड पे क्या चल रहा होगा? इस समय मेरे घर में क्या चल रहा होगा? इफ दीज थिंग्स आर कमिंग इन आवर माइंड, दैट इज आवर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस। फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस। सो विल बी, इट विल बी रेनिंग, बारिश हो रही होगी। मुझे नहीं पता कि वेदर आई एम नॉट व्यूइंग, आई एम नॉट ऑब्जर्विंग, आई एम ओनली टेकिंग इमेजिनेशन, आई एंटिसिपेट, सेम एंटिसिपेशन बिल्कुल कंफर्म हो गया होगा कि वहां ये घटना हो चुकी होगी, पक्का मुझे उम्मीद है। अब तक पेड़ गिर चुका होगा, अब तक पेशेंट मर चुका होगा, या अब तक पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज होकर घर वापस आ चुका होगा, अब तक परीक्षा समाप्त हो चुकी होगी. सो दीज ऑल अगेन एंटिसिपेशन, बट इट इज गोइंग इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. So the structure of future perfect is subject plus shall will plus have plus V3 plus object. While changing into passive, the same way what you have been doing. तो have के बाद क्या लगाएंगे? Been लगा देंगे. Object plus shall will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus objective. By plus objective. Clear? So future भी हमने देख लिया. Future perfect continuous, there is no passive. And in reported speech, nothing to do anything, because it will not change. Shall will change into should and can into could. While interrogative, while changing into the interrogative, if and whether is used instead of the modal verbs. ध्यान रहे, if or whether, anyone you can take instead of modal verb. Modal verbs are is, RM, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did. ठीक है? Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might. These all are the modal verbs. If the sentence starts with the modal verb, always remember this is perfect interrogative type of sentence. So, instead of do or does, instead of is, RM, instead of can, could, instead of shall, should, instead of any modal, we should use their if or whether. Then find out the subject. Where is subject? Where is subject? Nothing to write कि shall है तो अब should लगा दिए, if है तो should लगा दिए. नहीं, if के बाद तुरंत क्या ढूंढना है? सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट ढूंढने के बाद अब मॉडल जो है, शैल है तो शुड हो जाएगा, विल है तो कुड हो जाएगा, कैन है तो कुड हो जाएगा. जो भी मॉडल स्टार्टिंग हुआ था उसका हमने पास्ट फॉर्म लिख दिया. ठीक है? और बाकी एज इट इज जैसे सेंटेंस है उसको हमने उतार दिया. अदर कीवर्ड्स चेंज होंगे. दिस है तो दैट होगा, टुडे है तो दैट डे होगा, टुमारो है तो द फॉलोइंग डे होगा, अगर यस्टरडे है तो द प्रीवियस डे होगा. Somewhere you can write for the tomorrow, the next day also. And tonight, that night. The day before yesterday. Same, the day before yesterday, you need to write the day before yesterday, the previous day. The day before the previous day. No need to be confused. कि अगर day before परसों तरसों जैसा वर्ड आता है, the day before yesterday, day after tomorrow, सेम. मुझे चेंज करना है किसको? टुमारो को, यस्टरडे को. नाउ है देन लगा देंगे, नाउ है देन लगा देंगे, हेयर है देयर लगा देंगे, हेंस है देंस लगा देंगे, सो है देयर फोर लगा देंगे, सो है देयर फोर लगा देंगे. इज इट क्लियर? तो मेरे हिसाब से हमने क्या कर दिया? टेंस, वॉइस और नरेशन तीनों को एक साथ क्लियर कर दिया. WH क्वेश्चन, यस रिमेंबर, WH type of question is not called completely interrogative type. It is, so there should not be if or whether. अब WH के साथ if or whether नहीं लगेगा. WH will come as it is. WH will come as it is, and then after subject, then modal, and then rest of all. ठीक है? Then rest of all. चलिए एक दो एग्जाम्पल. तो इस तरीके से हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया. थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगा.